everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. Today we're going to learn how to crochet this small heart. For this heart I've used crochet t-shirt yarn and the hook that I'm using is 5.5 millimeters. I've also turned these hearts into keychains by using this keychain ring, attaching it to the back. So let's get started. We begin with the magic circle. Now for those of you who do not know how to work a magic circle, I have a video on that as well. I'll leave the link to that video in the description box below. Now once you have your magic circle, you need to chain 2. So that's 1 and 2. After you chain 2, you need to work 2 double crochets in the ring. So this is 1. You need to keep your stitches loose. And now it's 2. After the 2 double crochets, you need to work 2 half double crochets. For that, you yarn over, insert your hook into the ring, pull out a loop, and now you need to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, 2 and 3. One more half double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. And now you need to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, 1, 2 and 3. Now you chain 2, 1 and 2. Now you need to work 2 half double crochets like we've done earlier here, 2 half double crochets. So that's 1 and this is the second one. Now after the 2 half double crochets, you need to work 2 double crochets. So this is 1 and 2. Now you chain 2, 1 and 2, and now you need to work a slip stitch in this ring. And now you chain 1 and you can cut your yarn. Now you have your yarn of your magic ring, this yarn. You need to pull this yarn to close this ring. It'll be a bit tight, but you need to pull it as much as possible. I've closed the magic ring and now I'm going to work the loose ends. This is the yarn of the last stitch that we worked. I'm going to pull this yarn through this stitch. And pull it through a stitch at the back. Now that gives you a better shape of the heart. And now you can pull your yarn through some stitches and then you can cut your yarn off. We've completed making the t-shirt yarn heart. I've added a keychain ring to it to make a cute keychain. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.